The TRAX array is easy to install and is a great option for backlighting stretched membrane ceilings, SEG graphic systems, retail displays, and architectural feature walls. New applications are being realized daily with lighting professionals discovering the incredible potential of the TRAX Reticular backlighting system. The TRAX array mounts with its built-in wire mounting clips or the optional, time-saving proprietary rail mounting kit. Both techniques are simple to understand and will produce a lasting result. We advise that you test each product before and after mounting to ensure they are functioning properly. Our demonstration will utilize a full-size 24-inch by 96-inch TRAX array. The techniques described here will also be relevant to mounting arrays that have been cut or snapped to shorter dimensions. Once you've established where you would like the TRAX array to be mounted, mark two lines 12 inches apart. This indicates where the center of the wire mounting clips or rail mounting kit rails will line up. Use a chalk line or laser level to help establish straight, square lines. The first method we will cover is mounting TRAX with the built-in wire mounting clips. This procedure works well for mounting an array to both flat and curved surfaces. With our placement and center lines established, unroll the TRAX array and hold it up to the marked center lines so that the line runs directly through the center of the array's mounting clip. Drive the screws through the top wire mounting clips mounting holes to secure it to the surface. The wire mounting clip's 3M adhesive may be used to temporarily hold the array in place as you drive screws through the clips. Be careful when using the 3M adhesive backing as it may damage the mounting surface if removed. Now, with the array pulled taut, work your way down, driving the screws through the wire mounting clips at several points until you reach the bottom. For best results, ensure that the array's LED bars are flat and parallel. A helpful trick is to use this method to mount the array to a substrate. The substrate can then be installed to the application surface. This is a great technique for mounting to ceilings or other challenging applications. The optional rail mounting kit is a great way to reduce labor costs and improve alignment when working with flat surfaces. First, assemble the rails using the rail-to-rail connectors. Slide these components together until they click in place. Use a rubber mallet or press against a hard surface to fully seat these pieces if necessary. Snap the TRAX array into the fully assembled rails. Next, slide on the rail end mounting clips at the end of each rail. Head back to the mounting surface and center the rail mounting clips on your marked center line. Drive a screw through the middle slot to attach the clip to the mounting surface. The clip's center hole provides a small degree of movement should a measurement not be exact. Use a screw with a flat head shape so that the top of the screw does not protrude out of the inset mounting hole. Now that we've installed the rail mounting clips, we will click our array and rail assembly into place. If placement looks good, drive additional screws through the open slots of the rail mounting clips to firmly hold them in place. Last, drive screws through the sides of the rail end mounting clips to complete the mounting. If necessary, use bar retention clips to maintain alignment and add extra support to the shortened LED bar. Line up the bar retention clip to the alignment holes found between each LED segment on the LED bar. Snap this in place and secure it to the mounting surface. Congratulations! Your TRAX array is now mounted and ready to be wired to your power and control system. Please reference the TRAX system setup video for guidance on this process.